name is Adam, and today I'm showing you the Nerf Zombie Strike Brainsaw. It's ages 8, and let's open this thing up and see what this thing does. This is the front of the box. This is the Brainsaw and the darts in the bottom. And this is the back of the box. It has a little list on there to do for the zombie apocalypse. And here it is. I opened the gun. It comes with 8 darts and this thing right here. It goes like this. You put it in like this, and you hold it. When you're gonna do this, you hold it right here, and then you activate it. Well, let me just show you. And this is how you put it on. And as I said, you hold it like this, and then you. So that's what this thing is for. And let's put in the darts and have some target practice. And by the way, the darts go in here. You put it in 4 darts at a time. So part of the 8 you put 4, and then the other one 4 more, and then you start shooting. Put the darts in there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here it is. I put 4 of the darts in. Now I'm gonna flip over to the other side. Put the other darts in. 1. I'm gonna put 2 at the same time. 2, 3, and there we go. 4. So here it is. Put all the darts in on both of the sides. And I pretty like this thing. It comes with a saw. It's pretty good because if you run out of bullets, you could use a saw. And by the way, it goes this way, not this way. But it usually goes this way. This way, see? And it's pretty cool. I like this thing that comes with it. So when you do this, and then you do the saw. Wait, you try this. Nah, it doesn't last that long. So let's go do some target practice. So right now I'm gonna shoot that bottle over there, and let's go ahead and do it. Oh, did I hit it? Leave a comment. I missed because I saw it right next to it. Let me this way. Did I hit it? I hit it. I know I hit it. Well, I just saw with this thing. It worked pretty well. I like this toy. I think I'm playing with this a lot of times. And I think I recommend this for you guys, all those Nerf Zombie Strike fans out there that like the Nerf Zombie Strike Brainsaw. So I think that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!